What do you think, Lydia?
There are a lot in the bag.
Christopher, look what came out while you took your nap.
Go look at him, Chris. You won't believe it.
Yeah. Yeah. Christopher, you want to your pet?
What do you think?
Yeah. I do. And then also came out a yacht. Yeah.
What do you think? They're awesome.
When was up there and then he jumped down. I did that too. Cool.
Do you like them, Lydia?
Yeah. No.